Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to implement an OR logic in our program. To do this we are going to use two contacts in parallel, and to add them I'll create a new network, then insert a contact, and to insert a contact in parallel to this one I'll right click it and select insert contact parallel below. Now I'll assign an input to each one of these, so input 4 and input 5. And finally add a coil. For this one, I'll choose output 2. Now let's test this logic by pressing the login button. As you can see, input 5 is already enabled and it's sending the signal to output 2. Now I'll disable it. Output 2 is turned off. And if I enable input 4, you can see that output 2 also activates. That's how you create an OR logic in our program, and I see you on the next video.